Hey y'all, it's SheRea. What's up? Today I am back with another hair growth treatment that is going to make growing your hair to booty crack length easier than ever before. I'm going to show you a simple and easy hair growth routine for lazy naturals, with little to no DIYing involved. This routine involves just a few steps and moisturizes and strengthens dry and breakage-prone hair at the same time. You ready? Before I get into it, I would really appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up, as it really helps me and my channel out. And I hope you'll love this video enough to subscribe. Alright, let's get into it. The first step in any hair growth regimen, at least for me, is preparing my deep conditioner. Today I'll be using Cassia Plus Curls Plus Moisture Hair Mask from Henna Souk. Special thanks to Henna Souk for partnering with me to bring y'all this dope content. Henna Souk is such a gem. For those of you who don't like making your own deep conditioners or doing DIYs, Henna Souk got you covered. They make pre-mixed masks where no water or mixing is necessary. This mix in particular is a moisture-rich hair strengthening mask for curls and volume. It combines organic cassia, amla, and aloe vera for the smoothest Ayurvedic mask I've ever seen. Everything per usual will be linked down below. I got you too. You get 8 ounces for $12, which is really affordable for the quality of ingredients. Henna Souk says that 1 pack is enough for shoulder-length hair. However, I'm going to be honest, this is nowhere enough for me. My hair is almost waist length and I have a lot of it. Plus, I like to smother my hair in conditioner, so I would need 3 packets or so. So, in order to stretch this conditioner, I need to add a few ingredients, but this will depend on your hair length, density, and application. I first went in with 8 ounces of banana baby food. I wanted this DIY to be easy without blending and straining, so I went the easy route and I regret nothing. Bananas contain natural sugars, making it a humectant that draws moisture into dry hair. If you haven't used bananas before in your hair mask, you're missing out. This is super optional, but I also went in with 3 tablespoons of my hair growth oil. Y'all know I put this thing in everything. This adds slip to the conditioner, makes it super easy to rinse out, and heightens the hair growth benefits. Click the card above on how I make it. I wasn't convinced I had enough of the mask to cover my entire head, so I did also go in with 6 or so ounces of conditioner. Any conditioner will do. I combined a few to use them up. Conditioner adds to the conditioning ability of the mask and also adds slip and thickness so that the treatment is easier to apply. Feel free to add more ingredients or no extra ingredients. It's really up to you. You will still reap the benefits of powerful herbs proven to grow natural hair long while also thickening, darkening, and nourishing the hair. Now let's get into my wash day. So if you've been on my channel for any amount of time, you know I do an overnight pre-poo. So I'm just rinsing out my pre-poo. It was a random mix of things I had in my freezer. I have no idea what was in it. I just know it was good. So I'm just rinsing it out now. Now I'm going in with the most unique co-wash I have ever used. As a co-wash girl, I was really impressed with Henna Souk's cleansing conditioning co-wash in the peppermint scent. The texture is almost like a loose hair mask in and of itself. It was really cool. Me likes it. Infused with shiitake, which is a cleansing herb, and peppermint, this co-wash gently yet deeply cleans your hair while adding moisture back to your strands. It instantly softened my hair and had my hair feeling like a cloud. Although my hair was super tangled from days of neglect, I was able to moisturize and detangle my hair. I was blown away, truly, honestly. It's also super affordable, priced at $12 for 8 ounces. Now, I don't know the last time I bought any natural product full price for $12. I don't know how they do it, but they doing it, and it's amazing. I mean, let's be real. It's almost impossible to find such quality products at such an affordable price. We love it. We love this for us. We love this for us. If I had one complaint, it would just be that I wish it was in a larger size. Can we get a good 16 to 32 ounces? I will love you forever, Henna Soup. Upon rinsing, my hair was left feeling clean and strong. It was an incredible feeling, and I can't wait to use it again. Like, literally, I'm gonna use it my next wash day because, honey, it left my curls super defined and shiny. It is truly a hidden gem in the natural hair community. Per usual, I braided my hair into 2 sections and I air dried it under a t-shirt towel for 30 minutes or so. After air drying for 30 minutes or so, it is time for my favorite part of wash day, deep conditioning. My hair was left still feeling good. Y'all about to see my hair was really and truly popping. Before even going in with the deep conditioner, my hair had shine, it had body, it had volume. It looked like I already deep conditioned. And that's what we want. That's what we want out of our cleansing products. What I've been doing lately is isolating my crown section. This part is where my hair breaks the most, so I like making sure I handle that part separately. Let's talk about the main ingredient in the mask right quick, which is cassia. Cassia is often called neutral henna, but child, it is not henna at all. However, like henna, cassia adds luster, shine, and definition to the hair. It is also used to thicken hair as well. It will not color dark colored hair like mine, but it can highlight and color light colored hair. I've used cassia before on my channel, and I've had great results every time. I got receipts, you can check them out. It is exceptional for moisture and strength that lasts for weeks to come. Let me tell y'all, this mask glided onto my hair. The smoothness of the mask made it so easy to apply. My hair felt smooth, my hair felt balanced, there was moisture, but there was also strength. It did an amazing job of reviving my curls. Like all the masks, I make sure to get it from roots to tips. You don't want to miss any part of your hair. All parts of the hair are really important. You want to get at the root because hair grows from the root. So you want to pay that part special attention, but you also want to make sure that your ends are fully coated in it. Our ends are the weakest and oldest part of our hair, and they need love and attention. So also focus the attention at the ends as well. This is what my hair looks like after applying the mask. Y'all, my hair has grown so much over the last few months. I really have to thank hair growth treatments like this. My hair is super dark now, even though it used to be a dusty brown. It is very thick, although I have naturally fine hair. I have so much more density since my big chop last year. My hair is growing like weeds. My hair is beautiful. My texture has improved. I don't have as much breakage and dryness. Literally, Ayurveda changed my life, and Ayurveda saved my hair. I then pinned my hair up and I sat under my hair steamer for 40 minutes. If you have never went under a steamer with your Ayurvedic treatments, child, you are missing out. It is a game changer, I'm telling you. After steaming my hair, it is time to rinse the treatment out. And y'all, when I say it was so easy to rinse out this treatment, it was so easy. There was no residue, there was no powder left over. It rinsed out almost immediately. The quality is unmatched. Honestly, the quality is unmatched. My hair felt moisturized, but it also felt strengthened. And that's what we want. We want our hair to have a nice moisture and strength balance. That's how you grow your hair long. Y'all, just do me a favor. Make sure you check out Henna Souk and check out their other pre-mixed masks. You can also check out their powders, their oils, their co-washes. Just go on the website and change your life. This was one of my best and easiest wash days. And here's the honest truth. I deserved it, and you do too. We don't always have to work hard to get great results and great hair, especially because there are brands out here bringing us quality products and quality ingredients without breaking the bank. And I love to see it. Thanks again, Henna Souk, for an amazing and dope wash day experience. And thank y'all so much for watching. I hope this video helps per usual, and I love you.